Crunchy-Munchy. Hey, Crunchy-Munchy, where are you?
Getting the phone.
What?
Why you're not getting the phone? I was calling you like 2 times.
Oh, sorry. I was enjoying my time, but you ruined my time.
Yeah, I don't care. I just finished my skating.
Yeah?
And I'm on my way home. And I am so hungry. So
Really?
could you make me some snacks?
Yeah, what do you want to eat?
Something chewy and something yummy and something white like me.
How about rice cakes?
Huh? Ice cream?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, anything is good. Okay, so I think I'll arrive in 2 minutes.
What, 2 minutes?
No. What was that? 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah, okay. So I'll make you some snacks. I'll go to the
Okay, so
kitchen.
friends,
Yeah.
I love you. I believe in you. And
Yeah.
I am so cold. Bye.
Yeah, bye. When he's hungry, he'll be super mad. Let's go to the kitchen. Hurry. Go. We're going to make Carbonara Topokki for Crunchy-Munchy. Today's ingredient. First, milk. Second, cream sauce. Third, oil. Fourth, tteokbokki, as known as rice cake, and broccoli. Also, onion and bacon. I love bacon. Pork! So, the first step to make the carbonara tteokbokki is to warm the pan, and second, we have to cut the vegetables and the bacon. First, the onion. Oh, always be careful of the knife because this is very sharp. Oh, the chopping making my eyes so hot. Now it is time for bacon. Now the bacon is chopped, and the pan is warm. So it's time for the oil. Now we have to put the onion in, and the broccoli, and the bacon. Now we have to stir that very gently. When the ingredients are all cooked, we have to put the cream sauce and some milk. And 1 cup of milk. When we put a lot of milk, there's no taste of the cream sauce. So only 1 cup. Ew. A little spill, but I have a napkin. Now, when the bubbles are up, we have to put the rice cake, but not now, a little bit later. Who is it? Oh, hi! Hi! I'm back home. Oh, what's your name? wash your hands first. The
Oh.
virus.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So I'll be back after I wash my hands, okay?
Okay.
So hold still. Don't you move.
Okay, okay.
Don't you move.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. We have to put the rice cake into.
Oh, how did you know that I wanted to eat some rice cakes?
Yeah, you said something. Why?
Oh,
Like.
Grant, I miss you so much.
Oh, kiss.
Oh,
And we have to put the rice cake for 3 minutes until it is soft.
Oh, soft and chewy and
Yeah.
something comforting, like me, right?
Yeah.
You know, all the skating was so hard.
Yeah. It is hard.
Yeah, you know, I could skate very well like this. Woo, woo, woo.
Who is your teacher? Giggly?
No.
Who?
He's some guy with a beard. Looks scary.
Mustache?
No,
Spiky?
no.
Who?
I don't know, but his last name was some kind of very hard name, something like Spaghetti or something like that.
How?
I don't know. So, what's my turn? I want to cook. I want to cook.
You have to just wait.
Ugh,
Oh,
waiting is so boring.
no, it's not.
Is 3 minutes done?
Yeah. And when you touch the rice cake and when it's soft, turn off the pan and put the rice cake to a bowl.
Oh, can I turn off the pan?
I already did.
Oh. Now what can I do?
Wait and eat.
Okay. I wait and wait and I waited and I fall asleep.
Oh, hey, Crunchy-Munchy!
Oh, sorry.
You
sorry.
almost ruined
Smells so good.
Yeah? I love these. You too?
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're putting them on a dish?
Yeah.
Whoa. Can I do it?
Try it.
Oh, heavy. I have to
Yeah.
reveal some muscles. Muscles.
Yeah. Don't eat
What's that?
Parmesan cheese.
Ooh,
For a
I remember the Parmesan cheese for a sandwich, you know? We used Parmesan cheese too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So, for the decoration, yes, we put the Parmesan cheese on the top.
Ooh, sprinkles. Ooh.
The heat will melt the Parmesan cheese, and it was a long time, but
Long
High
time. High five? Okay, so 1, 2. Why are you putting me in here? Okay, so 1, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. High five. Oh,
oh, sorry.
I'm alive.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Now
And
it's time to
eat. Yay!
Oh, don't forget to click likes and subscribe button. Thank you.